Matt, here's your 427 small block Chevrolet. Give you descriptions, combinations. Got AFR heads on it. We got it all painted up for you though. Custom ground hydraulic roller, Edelbrock manifold. Fuel carburetor. Got the March kit. Make sure alternator functions for you. Go in there and make a run. See if it does. Stay tuned. This will be your professional run. Yeah. Alrighty, 3,400, 525 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 562, peak horsepower 542, so we're rated at 530, got our front end on it, so it's really good. I'll do now is pull a pipe smack to make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple of things. When you see Brandon find this thing that looks like a credit card, it's a USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag, you'll have an engine number and some other specs there. Easy from us, that is the number, it's the easiest way to look you up, flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.